Welcome friends, welcome back to MK Zoology. So in this video tutorial I will be talking about phylum Arthropoda, the general characteristics of phylum Arthropoda. Okay, and I already made the video regarding phylum Annelida with a very interesting short trick. If you have not watched that video, then please go and watch. The link of this video is in the I button and it is also in the description box. Please go and watch this video, and in this video I will talk about phylum Arthropoda in a very short clip. And this video will help for PGT biology aspirants, which will help them to crack their entrance exam. Okay, so this video also helpful for many purposes like BSc, MSc and your ISc, and also for PGT biology students, means who want to become a teacher in their life, those who want to appear the KV and OAV exams. This video will gonna help you in a very effective manner. So let's start today's topic. Okay, so today's topic is phylum Arthropoda. It is the first largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Why it is the first largest phylum? Because we may have seen in our environment many kinds of insects, and all those insects belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. So it has many species. About 2/3 of the species belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Means about 65%. 65% of the species belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Okay, so let's see the meaning of Arthropoda. So Arthropoda comes from two Greek words. First one is your arthros, which means your jointed, and second one is your poda, which means leg or appendages. It means Arthropoda have jointed appendages. It have jointed legs. Okay, this is the meaning of Arthropoda, which means the animals have jointed appendages or jointed legs. So let's see the trick, most important trick, and the trick is अरे छी हटा बोट ओडी से रेस करेगी. चलो देखते हैं बोट ओडी से रेस करेगी तो कौन जीतेगा. ठीक है, अरे छी हटा बोट ओडी से रेस करेगी. Here अरे belongs to Arthropoda, which means Arthropoda. Okay, array means Arthropoda, which will help you to remember this trick. Means array, it starts from array, means it belongs to Arthropoda phylum. Okay, array छी हटा बोट ऑडी से रेस करेगी. Array means Arthropoda. The next one is a chi. Chi means chitinous exoskeleton. Chitinous exoskeleton means the exoskeleton is made up of chitin. It is made up of polysaccharide, means polymer of carbohydrates. It is made up of glucose units. Carbohydrates are glucose unit, and it is made up of complex carbohydrates, means it is made up of glucose. Okay, this is chitinous exoskeleton. That is the meaning of chi. The next one is hata. We write hata as HATA, but I write here as HTA. Okay, remember this HTA. It means hata means the body of Arthropoda is of three parts. It has three parts. First one is your head, H4, and second one is your thorax, and third one is your abdomen. Arthropoda body have three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Suppose this is the animal. Okay, suppose this is the insect. Suppose, and this is the head, and this is thorax, and this is abdomen. It is of three parts. Body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. That is the meaning of हटा. अरे ची हटा. ठीक है. The next one is your boat body से रेस करेगी. Boat. I also told you in Annelida phylum also. Why I write the boat word here? Let's see this again. Boat. Here B means bilateral. Bilateral means if we cut this insect in this direction, then both the halves will be equal. This is the meaning of bilateral. Bi means two, lateral. If we cut this in lateral side, lateral position, then both the halves will be equal. Okay, this means bilateral. And the next one is your O. O means organ system level of body organization. Organ system level of body organization means there are various organ systems are present in their body, like digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive systems. All the systems are present in arthropoda's body. That is the meaning of O. And O means also open type of circulatory system. Circulatory system is of open type, means blood pass directly to the organs. Okay, there are no vessels. In closed circulatory system, blood pass through the vessels, but in open circulatory system, blood directly pass through the organs. Okay, and the next one is a T. T means triploblastic, means three germ layers are present: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Upper one is your ectoderm, middle one is your mesoderm and inner one is your endoderm. Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Three germ layers are present. That is the meaning of boat. The next, boat OD से रेस करेगी. Next one is your OD. And from this, all the organ systems are started. All the systems started from this. Like OD means reproductive system. Okay. From here, systems will arise, and OD means reproductive system. Means it is oviparous. Here O means oviparous, which means they lay eggs. They lay eggs. Okay, it is oviparous. And next one is a D. D means dioecious, means both the sexes are separate. Male and female species are separate. That means dioecious. Both the sexes are separate. Okay, means it is unisexual. Unisexual. It is unisexual. Both the sexes are separate. And the next one is your I. I means internal fertilization. Okay, fertilization is of internal type. Okay. And here D and I means it has another meaning also, that is direct and indirect development. Direct and indirect development. Okay. In indirect development means there are larval stages. Larval stages present from which the young ones formed. Okay, this is the meaning of OD. The next one is a C. In say, S means sensory system. Okay, sensory systems, or in sensory system, sensory organs are present. The first organ is your antennae. Antennae, you have seen in prawn, antennae is present. So that is the sensory organ. Okay, and the next one is your eyes. In arthropodans, two types of eyes are present: simple and compound. Okay, simple and compound eyes are present. Okay. And there is an organ. There is organ present in arthropodans, that is statocyst, and which help to balance the body. Okay, which help to balance the body or to equilibrium. Okay, to equilibrium or to balance the body of arthropoda. That is the meaning of statocyst. Okay, which is present in arthropods. And the next one is the race. Race means respiratory systems. And here respiratory organs are gills, book gills, book lungs and tracheal systems. 4 types of respiratory organs are present. Okay, in some animals it is maybe gills, in some animals it is book gills, in some animals it is book lungs, and in some animals it is tracheal systems. These are the respiratory organs. And the next is Karegi, which is silent, which has no meaning. It is silent here. I write the Karegi word only to remember this trick. Okay, the trick is अरे ची हटा बोट ऑडी से रेस करेगी. ठीक है. Let's repeat this trick again in a very short time. अरे ची हटा बोट ऑडी से रेस करेगी. Here अरे means arthropoda. Okay, arthropoda. The short trick of arthropoda is अरे ची हटा बोट ऑडी से रेस करेगी. अरे means arthropoda and chi means chitinous exoskeleton, which is made up of polysaccharides. And the next one is hata. Head, thorax and abdomen. Body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. The next one is boat. B means bilateral. O means organ system level of body organization. Various organ systems are present in their body. The next one is open type of circulation. Open type of circulatory system present means blood pass directly to the organs. There are no vessels. Okay, and the next one is T. T means triploblastic, means 3 germ layers are present. Okay, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. 3 germ layers are present. The next one is OD. Here all the systems are present. From here all the systems are present. And here OD means reproductive system. Okay. O means oviparous, means they lay eggs. And D means dioecious, means they are unisexual, means both the sexes are separate. And I means internal fertilization. Internal fertilization happened in arthropodans. And here D and I means direct and indirect development. In indirect development, larval stages are present. Okay. The next one is C. Here S means sensory system, and in sensory system, sensory organs are present. The sensory organs are antenna and eyes. Okay, you may have seen in prawn, antenna is present, and then the next one is eyes. Eyes are of 2 kinds. Okay, first one is simple, and the second one is compound eyes. Cyst is present, which help to maintain the balance of the body or to equilibrium, or which help in equilibrium. Okay, the work of statocyst to maintain the balance of the body. And the next one is excretory system. In excretory system, oh, I skipped that word, right? Okay, here E means excretory system, means the excretory organ is your Malpighian tubule. Okay, excretory organ is Malpighian tubule. In arthropods, Malpighian tubule are the excretory organs. In annelidans, the nephridia are the excretory organs. But in arthropods, Malpighian tubule are the excretory organs. Okay, the next one is a race. Here race refers to respiratory systems. And in respiratory systems, respiratory organs are present. The respiratory organs are gills, book lungs and tracheal systems. Okay, this is the meaning of the trick. अरे ची हटा बोट ऑडी से रेस करेगी. And it is the trick of phylum Arthropoda. Please remember this trick, which help you to remember all the characteristics of phylum Arthropoda. Okay, so remember this trick. So this is all about your phylum Arthropoda. I hope you clear with the content. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and please comment and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.